If you also want to install a 3 kilowatt hybrid system on your home rooftop, then this video is going to be for you. Right now in the market, 3 kilowatt systems are being installed the most because subsidy is available on them. Because of this, it becomes quite affordable for people. But you cannot install it everywhere. To install this system, your home should have electricity for 24 hours, or at least electricity should be available for most of the day. Otherwise, an on-grid system will not work without electricity. On the opposite, a hybrid system will work all the time. Whether electricity comes to your home or not, it will also use solar power. That is why it is a little costly. But here we are going to tell you different combos for different budgets. You can install any brand according to your choice. First, let's talk about the latest technology, which is transformer-less technology. In transformer-less technology, you can choose a 3 kilowatt hybrid inverter from Day Company. You can choose from UTL or from Eastman. The price of all three is almost the same in the market. You can get this inverter at around 75,000 rupees. In this inverter, you get almost all features that are available in any inverter. All features are included in it. The best feature, in my opinion, is parallel connectivity. All these inverters support parallel connection. If you want to run a 3 kilowatt load right now, one inverter is enough. In the future, if you want to run around 5 kilowatt load, you can connect two inverters in parallel. This will make the total capacity 6 kilowatt. Apart from this, you get app monitoring feature. A display is also provided. These features come with all inverters. Now, let's talk about the battery. Here you need at least a 25.6 volt and 100 Ah battery. Since it is a hybrid system and 3 kilowatt, I recommend a lithium battery. If you only run load during the day, then you can use a lead acid battery. You can get a lithium battery from UTL for around 30,000 rupees. A similar capacity battery is also available from Genus for around 35,000 rupees. But if you want a battery with parallel connectivity, then you can get it from Eastman. This battery is specially designed for hybrid systems. It comes with a communication port. It communicates with the hybrid inverter and makes a better system. This battery costs around 45,000 rupees. The third option is that if you choose a 48 volt inverter, then you can use a 51.2 volt and 100 Ah battery. From UTL, it costs around 65,000 rupees. From Day, it costs around 1 lakh rupees. From Eastman, it costs around 70,000 rupees. Other brands also offer similar capacity batteries between 65,000 to 70,000 rupees. Now let's talk about solar panels. If you install a subsidy system, then you have to use DCR panels, which are costly. So here we will first talk about non-DCR panels. You can get 3 kilowatt N-type top cone panels for around 55,000 rupees. Apart from this, around 30,000 rupees will be spent on structure, wiring and other installation work. So the total cost of this system becomes around 2,25,000 rupees. In this, you will get a 3 kilowatt inverter, a 51.2 volt and 100 Ah battery and more than 3 kilowatt capacity top cone panels. If you want to install it with subsidy, then you need to choose DCR panels. 3 kilowatt DCR panels will cost around 85,000 rupees. Apart from this, net metering file charges are also there, which are around 10,000 rupees. So this system will cost around 2,65,000 rupees. On this, you get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. After subsidy, the system will cost around 1,87,000 rupees. But this price can vary from place to place. In some places, subsidy may be higher, making the system cheaper, or the installer may charge extra, making it more expensive. But on average, you can consider around 1,90,000 rupees after subsidy. Now let's talk about a cost-cutting system. Here you can also get a 3 kilowatt inverter in 24 volt. For example, I have one from Day Company. It works on 24 volt. If you use a smaller battery with it, then instead of a 51.2 volt battery costing 65,000 rupees, you can get a 25.6 volt battery for around 30,000 rupees. This directly reduces the cost by around 35,000 rupees. The rest of the cost remains the same. So the total cost becomes around 1,52,000 rupees. This is for a subsidy system. If you install without subsidy, the system will cost around 1,90,000 rupees. But you can reduce the cost further. You can choose a transformer based inverter instead of transformer less. This costs around 45,000 rupees. If you install a non-subsidy system with non-DCR panels, then the total cost becomes around 1,60,000 rupees. If you want subsidy, then again you need to change the panels to DCR. file charges will also be extra. So you can estimate your total cost accordingly. Even after subsidy, you will get some benefit. So here we have explained different combos. You can choose any combo according to your budget. If you still have any question or suggestion, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon so that you keep getting such information from time to time. Thank you.